Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make nude lip gloss. If you'd like to see more videos on lip glosses and things of cosmetic nature, make sure you like and subscribe. For this DIY or to implement it into your business, you will need a bowl and some spoons. I use a paper bowl because it's cheaper. Yeah. And only this type of bowl, Big C, because it's deep. You'll also need your lip gloss base. I got my Versagel from tkbtrading. I don't know about any other sellers, but this is the one. This is the hot spot. And the Krabby Patty formula that everyone's been hiding for when you're making nude colorants. Nude lip glosses is these liquid colorants from tkbtrading. These are what gives the lip glosses its color and its opaqueness, so it's not really translucent like, you know, the shimmers. Obviously you need gloves, and I'll be showing you a scale that I use, but for this video, since it's just a sample, I'm not going to be using it, but I want you guys to know that you should use a scale so you can measure how much grams of liquid colorants you're using in ratio to how much lip gloss base you're using, so you can have a consistent color every time you have to, you know, restock your item if you're selling nude lip glosses on your site. And obviously, as you just saw, coconut oil, because it makes the tkbtrading gloss base less thicker, and it also adds shine and hydration to your lip glosses. So now we're gonna start mixing the liquid colorants. I choose to mix my liquid colorants on its own beforehand because the consistency is thicker, so it leaves room for little to no messes when I'm mixing. And then afterwards, I will add in my coconut oil and I mix it all together. But it is important that you mix everything, including the coconut oil, before you add in your lip gloss base. You do this all beforehand, because if you were to just add the colorants on top of your already mixed, you know, coconut oil and lip gloss base, then the color won't have a chance to disperse properly into the lip gloss. And if you've made nude lip glosses before and you've been wondering why it comes out weird, and it's not a look, so just mix it beforehand. I ended up using this pipette because too much was coming out, in case you're wondering. But yeah, anyways, so you're gonna mix your colors. Obviously, the more white that you add, the lighter your brown would be, and vice versa. Now that it's all mixed together, I'm gonna go in and add my coconut oil. But as you see on the screen, it kind of doesn't look all that light, but it's honestly just my lighting. It's lighter than I started out as, you know, so that's all that matters. So you're gonna add your coconut oil, but you want to make sure that you get all of these little swirls that you see coming up, like right here. These little swirls right here, you're gonna want these to be fully dispersed and gone before you add your lip gloss base in, because you just want everything to just go disperse smoothly throughout your lip gloss. Okay, so you know, now you're adding your lip gloss base, but the more oil that you add, the smoother and the thinner the consistency. So you just add to your liking. Make sure to measure it, take your measurements, so you won't mess up your next batch if you're using it for business purposes. And then you must make sure that you mix in the colorant and oil in slowly, just like as I said, so it can disperse well again. And this is the finished product. You know, obviously you could add in your scents, flavoring, and whatever, but yeah, this is how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to make it as short as I can because I just wanted to get straight to the point. But yeah. Also, if you want your lip gloss to have red undertones, you should add red into the mix. Just make sure you measure. Please like and subscribe if you love this video, like it or whatever, you know. Or leave a comment if you want to. But yeah, thanks for watching.